there's never a complete peace throughout the world. Do you believe that conflicts are a way of life and true peace can never be achieved? Or is there a way you would approach the way to peace?
Human nature has changed very little in recorded history. There has been conflict between people and conflict between nations. I do not see any chance of an immediate change in human nature, and as long as that is, in my mind, certainly a fact, there will continue to be conflict.